Hello viewers, you're all welcome to my channel. I still remain Jack Sax, the saxophone instructor, right here in this channel. In case you are new to this channel, please I'd like you to kindly click on the subscribe button, and beside it you are going to see a bell notification. Turn on the bell notification, as that will enable you to be notified each time a tutorial drops here in this channel. In case you are looking for a saxophone instructor that can take you to the next level or the next phase of your playing saxophone ability, you are in the right place. Just call on the number +234 8144 058 513. I repeat, +234 8144 058 513. All right, now I'm going to be teaching on the topic Phrygian, which is the third degree of mode. Previously we've talked about the Ionian, the Dorian, all right, which happen to be the second degree, but today we are going to be looking at the third degree of your mode, which we refer to as Phrygian mode. Phrygian mode is the third degree of mode, which moves from what? Me to me. All right, now Phrygian mode has its scales to be what? Do, di, mo, fa, so. All right, zi, to, do. Do, di, mo, fa, so, zi, to, do. Look at it. I'm playing on the key of C. This is do, di. All right, mo, fa, so, zi, to, do. All right, this is Phrygian mode scale. All right, let me play it. That is Phrygian mode scale. But guess what? I'm going to show you a tweak that can make you to easily remember this, your Phrygian mode. And here is the tweak. All you need to do is to turn your root to a third degree. Alright? Now I'm playing on the key of C, right? And which gives me my Do. Here I have as my Do. So if I'm turning my Do now to a third degree, that implies I will now be referring to this my C as me. Okay, and you will agree with me that the key I will have this as my me is going to be what? G sharp. That shows I will be playing what? Me, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi on G sharp. Because Phrygian mode is a mode that runs from me to me. Me, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Okay, so I will turn this my root now to what? To me. And I will now be playing on what? G sharp. Remember, I'm not going to stop on the Do of G sharp until I get to another Me. Alright? So I'll be playing what? Me, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. So that is how I will now be playing it. So here is the tweak for you to master your Phrygian mode. Just turn the root of the key you are playing to what? To me. And play what? Me, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Okay? It's as simple as that. So look at me now. Turning this to me now implies I'm going to be playing on what? On G sharp. So I'll play me. Hear it. That is Phrygian mode. And of course, I've shown you the tweak to easily remember your Phrygian mode. The tweak remains you turning the root of your key to the degree of the Phrygian, which is what? The third degree. Alright? That is the tweak. And you run it from what? Me to me. Me, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. And to continue on our Phrygian mode, I'm going to be showing you some licks and how to rightly apply them to songs. First on the licks is this is what do, so, do, si, so, fa, di, mo, do. Do, so, do, si, so, fa, di, mo, do. Right, this is it. I will take it slowly. The second we are going to look at is this is so far the more do does this of a so, right? This is okay, that is for that. And the third on the lick is this is fa so do do si so fa di mo do. Fa so do do si so fa di mo do. Right now I'm going to take it slowly. You have like right. I can as well play it on the low where we have like and right now we are going to be applying these licks. We shall be considering a song titled You Are Yahweh by Steve Graham. Okay, now this is the tonics of the song. Me so do ti la ti do la la fa so. Me so do ti la ti do la la fa so. Me so re mi do la do fa mi. Me so re mi do la mi re do. All right, this is the tonics of You Are Yahweh. Okay, can you hear that part? You are Yahweh, you are Yahweh. All right, at the point of so, my landing note. So I substitute the so fa di mo do do this of so for the so that ended that particular phrase of You Are Yahweh, you are Yahweh. All right, let me take it again. All right, then. Okay. Again, you are Yahweh, Alpha and Omega. You are Yahweh, Alpha and Omega. Alright, I just use the lick now. Those are so far the more do to end that particular song, where I have an ending note to be what? To be do. Da 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 da. Alright, now let's play everything. So that is how to apply it on the song You Are Yahweh. And if you listen to it clearly, the two major places I applied these licks are the points where I have my landing notes on the saw and on the do. Alright? Thank you. And we want to consider another song again. Song like Lord, I'm amazed of how you shown me mercy. Alright? You know the song? So now this is the song. I just want us to consider the point where I will have a landing note on the fa, so that we can use the lick fa so do do so fa the more do. Alright, now this is a song. Can you hear that? Alright? That is the point now, right? Lord, I'm amazed of how you've shown me mercy. Alright? So far, now I now play fa so do, that is so far the mother, right? Let me take it again. Alright? Alright, so I just played that particular part of the song where we have a landing note on the 4th degree, which is the fa, right? For me to use this fa, so do, that is a fa, the more do. Right, some of these licks are rightly used at the point where you have your landing notes. Just consider your landing note now. And when you look at this Phrygian mode, the three major notes we are having here is the do, fa, and so. Do, fa, and so are the three major notes you have on Phrygian mode. And that is why we come up with licks on do, fa, and so. Alright? Do, so, do, si, so, fa, the more, do. One of the licks, right? Then second, we have so, fa, the more, do, si, so, fa, so. Alright? And the third, we have fa, so, do, si, so, fa, the more, do. Alright? So these are some of the licks we can actually come up with on Phrygian mode. On your own, you can still come up with many more, but just be conscious of all the notes that make up the Phrygian mode. Thank you for watching.